Found that rubber tree plant. Remember that function on the bill? Yeah, how? That's it. And so you have that song recorded into the background of them romping around here. And then just thinking a year you could edit in a little litter of puppies, maybe.
With as fast as squirters, I had to put the high-speed shutter on. You got it now, don't you?
Dear Squirt. She deserves it. Bear's going, yay, yay.
Yeah, I finally get it. He's over there like he finally gets a break. They're leaving him alone.
Exactly right. Yeah, I deserve a break.
We'll have to put the date and time in here so when these puppies have their first little litter, we'll remember their small beginnings.
Dear Squirt. She just submits, and then she just lays up.
This is Jim's knife. Make sure he doesn't be looking for that.
Yeah.
They don't have this stuff.
I don't know what's going on.
What are you doing in Canada, or just playing golf? You got something on today?
I have on pinhole.
Oh.
Now check it.
Cold out there this morning. And I thought we were going to the beacon this morning for that sunrise service. I thought this is what I was planning to wear. Because I thought it would be somewhat casual dress. My wardrobe was very limited.
Yeah, it seems like no matter what I do, I either have way too much clothes and I only wear a portion of what I bring.
That's me.
Or I don't have the right things.
Oh.
It's too hot, it's too cold. And we were getting ready. I said, I hate packing. I hate packing, but I can do it.
If you had an itinerary and knew exactly what
what
the weather it was going to be, then it would be okay.
And Justin got out and was coming out that dog pen the other day, so he was rolling out there and hilltops and all that in the middle of the day, but he's not coming, so then he was out shop, you know, athletic shop, he went to
I don't think so. Unless you make some for yourself.
Well, Squirt, come on, I need to take you back. I don't know. I was over there. I might just leave him here because I think they're okay together. I cannot have him around Texas. She thinks she's got to hold him every second, and it just drives everybody nuts. Well, Squirt, really, by the time it's time, I'm sure you're going to have enough practice to know how to do it.
At least Squirter had the muscles developed.
That's true. Well, he can jump. He'd make a heck of a tennis player.
It looks like he'd make a heck of a lover.
very agile.
he got that foreplay down anyway. It's funny how Prissy retreats real fast with it.
Two legs just...
This is the best toy in the world. This is what Prissy needed, somebody to play with, because Bear just will not play back. Tammy Faye next door had played with her a little bit, but she gets mad and bites her. So, you know, even if she just lays down and submits to Candy, she still, you know, lashes out.
Well, I think he needs it too, because he hasn't been around any dogs except big dogs that really scare him.
Yeah. Well, they need to learn those socializing skills with other dogs.
That's true. In full
And
sport,
that's
he's at
his
a
fault.
definite disadvantage
Yeah.
because there's not very many dogs his size or smaller in the
Yeah,
world.
that's right. Well, that was Bear's phone. That's why he is so moody and grumpy all the time around other dogs and people.
Yeah.
Is because we lead such a quiet, docile life, and he's just hanging around people.
I'm going to start reading this quiet doctor life too.
One of these
Sounds
days.
wonderful.
It is wonderful.
Yes, it really is. I have enough taste of it to not enough to do. So I took them off when I was over there wrestling with Tessa. Well, I'm going to leave him down here for a while. I don't think so.
Did you say you want to go?
I think that I'm going to spend some time with my son this morning to try to do something with him, just him, so I can. He and I need to do some talking before I take him home.
Okay.
Well, Spurt, you can stay here if you want to.
What's the after
If he acts like he misses me, call me.
Okay. I'm sure he'll be well entertained. Chrissy likes his tail.
Ooh, yeah. I'd sort of like to tell Donna, her birthday's next week, that we would like for her to come up and visit us for a weekend for her birthday, and she looks at her schedule. And that way, I think we might be really good to do some.
Well, maybe the
This floor looks real good on the camera.
huh?
This floor looks real good.
Maybe she said she had a babysitter on Sunday. She could come on Sunday and spend Sunday night and take her on the time about Monday and have some time to herself.
That would work out real well, huh? Maybe.
That's probably going to suit her best.
It sure would suit us best. Oh, Prissy, you look so much like Bear when you get beside Midget there. Squirt, you miss your mama, don't you? Look at this. Look at that. It's funny how she gets attached to Nancy. See, you don't want to have no sex or mess around when your mama's not around. Well, on second thought, since she's not going to be here, you might as well go ahead and party. We'll have to send this video to Nancy so she knows how Squirt acts when she's not there.
Still love that. I think you put these rollers in my hair so you keep that camera away from me.
Yes, ma'am. What we should do is move that mat off of the rug and roll that carpet up with those puppies in here this morning. Prissy. 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 Really? I wanted to see if he remembered everything he learned last night. He sure did.
Did he?
He sure did.
Raining a little, huh?
Yeah, let's make that grass stand up and talk to us. Come here.
Where you going?
You see, we got some pictures of her when Nancy left.
Yeah.
She was just whimpering and stuff.
Yeah, she walked out at the motel there. Is he bothering you down there?
No, no. You want us to keep him down there?
Yeah.
He was a naughty puppy. Prissy.